It's Lams here. You're welcome to today's episode. I'm going to have to create a playlist for these episodes. If you noticed in the first episode, I tagged IMO edition. IMO, which is simply an acronym for in my opinion, means these episodes are based on my preference. As much as they are based on my opinion, the apps I mentioned here are actually amazing apps. I mean, some of them are even the best in their suitable categories. Plus, I noticed in my previous episode, from the analytics, most of you really didn't like the paid apps. So because of that, I've decided to include mostly free apps in this episode. Well, if you've been here before and you didn't subscribe, or this is your first time here in my channel, click the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification to get weekly updates of my videos. Recent contacts. Chances are you sparingly use this app, but when you do, it will be very helpful. You know how sometimes you save a contact and you can't remember what name you saved the contact with? This app arranges all your contacts in chronological order. You can choose to arrange your contacts in ascending order or descending order in time. It is worth noting that the app is not entirely accurate on Android because on Android, contacts are not saved with date and time. They are saved with ID number, which are usually in chronological order, not always in chronological order. Music's Match. I recommend this app for every music lover. In this app, you'll find synchronized lyrics to almost any song in your library. Almost, not all. One feature I really like about this app is that you can also get these synchronized lyrics on a floating panel in other music apps too. Let's say you are a Spotify, Deezer, or Apple Music user. You could still be listening to music in these various apps and still get your floating lyrics from the Music's Match app. So I think this is a feature that makes the Music's Match really stand out because there's a large contribution of lyrics to the Music's Match library. It's worth noting that the Music's Match app has a paid and a free version. In the paid version, you have all your synchronized lyrics offline. You also have the party mode, which I personally think is a gimmick, and you also get rid of all advertisements in the app. Musicolet. This is one of the best music players on Android. Yes, Android. It's not available on iOS. There's so much to say about this app. In summary, this app has support for multiple song queues, a minimalist design, it's completely offline, and also for free. I mean, what more could you expect? That's not actually what I like most about the app. What I really admire about the app is its ease of use and embedded lyrics, meaning the app can display lyrics embedded in your songs. Explaining more on the ease of use, let's say you are listening to Adele's Someone Like You. Clicking on Adele's name in the Now Playing tab will take you to Adele's tab in the Artist section and show you all the songs of Adele which you have on your device. Furthermore, you can click just the album name and it will take you to that album tab, showing you all the songs under that album. Couple this with the fact that the app is just 3 MB in downloadable size. I don't think there's more you could expect from a music player. So I'd easily recommend this for any music lover. IDM, Internet Download Manager. If you're a Windows user, it's highly probable you've used IDM, Internet Download Manager. It's one of the best download managers on Windows. Now, its amazing features are available on mobile. It has support for downloading up to 5 files at a time. It also has support for downloading a file in up to 32 parts, which increases download speed. It has support for downloading torrent files, and you can download files from Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and other social media. Do note that it doesn't have support for downloading videos from YouTube, since that is against YouTube policies. It's worth noting that it has a premium version which can allow you to download up to 10 files at a time. It also has support for proxies and there are no advertisements. And the premium version also supports scheduling downloads, which allows you to set a time which you want a download to resume or start. and you can have your file downloaded even when you are not present there. Adobe Lightroom. This is an app I believe almost every photographer uses. If you're a photographer and you're not using this app, you need to get on the train. The PC version of the app has more features. Well, this doesn't mean that the mobile version lacks any useful one. I recommend this app for even a normal user as long as you take photos. Even if you have no skills in photography, there are tutorials created by professional users with the app that can really help you. But if you would rather not learn, you can apply profiles to your pictures. There's automatic correction, and you can also apply presets to your photos. With this app, you can really transform your photos, from adjusting white balance to contrast to exposure to even colors. It does it all well. You should also know that it works with raw photos, which means no detail is lost. That's all for today. If you like this video, click the like button. Remember, exploration is key to discovery. The more you explore, the more you discover. Don't forget to follow me on other social media. See you in my next video. Ciao.